Okay, guys, we got a Chevy Tahoe here. Customer said using these cans, it doesn't want to take in freon. Okay, he used all these cans. So what I did was I'm gonna put these to the side, and I hooked up my machine. It's giving 100 and 100, but I think it has too much poly oil. The system is jammed up, so I told the guy I don't work with cans, so let's give it a shot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna recover. Let's press enter. And once we recover, we should have about 3 pounds of gas in the system. And I think he overly charged it, and it has way too much of oil in there probably. So we don't know what's going on in there. And we're gonna recover everything, and then we will continue this job. Anyways, let's wait for the machine to see what it says. Okay, so it pulled out 1.39 pounds of refrigeration. So what we're gonna do is, it pulled out a lot of oil. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna vacuum the system for 20 minutes. Vacuum, and we'll come back. System has completed. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some oil, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna recharge the system. Remember, the key here is system has pressure, but it also have a high temperature air pressure, so you can't just jam things in there. Okay, that's how I believe. You cannot jam things in there. Those cans, you're jamming things in there. That's what you're doing. You're overcharging the system, over pressuring the system. It has pressure sensors. It's gonna cut things off. It's probably not even gonna take in nothing. Okay, it's all done. Let's press any key. We're gonna charge, enter. Nope. We're gonna continue. We're gonna look for 2000, not a 2003, so 2000. Okay, I thought it was a 3, but enter. Look for Chevrolet. Let's look for Tahoe. There you go. V8. What is this? This is 5.3 liter right there. 5.3. 5.3. So this is the one in the bottom. 5.3. Let's press enter. Data could not be accessed. Okay, but it takes 3 pounds. That's what the system calls for. Okay, that's a rear AC, so it's 3 pounds. Let's put in, let's be on the safe side. Let's put 2.5, and then we'll add more if we need to. But if it accepts it, that's what this video is about. Why did it not accept? Okay, let's do both. Let's press next. Let's press start. Why did the system not take pressure? Okay, system's charging to push gas. It took gas cold. There you have it. It's pumping 1.6. Almost 2. That's pretty fast. There you go. Now it's gonna pump in little by little. Pressure. The machine needs pressure to push. Anyway, guys, we have successfully charged the system. So if your car is not taking freon, refrigeration, or R134, you using the dummy cans. If you're using these, no good. Done. 2.5. There you go. So that's not the way to go. You're jamming in things in there. But anyway, we're done. I'm going to test the system. If it needs a little bit more, we will add more. But I think we have a success here. Bada bing, bada boom. Put the caps on. Very important. Let's remove this guy. Bada bing, bada boom. And Let's put on this cap. Thank you for watching my video, guys. So if your system is not taking freon refrigeration, it's due to that you have too much of a high pressure or too much in the system, too much air, hot air. Even if you release it, it might not take it. But anyways, thank you for watching.